Hello, and welcome to eMexo Technologies. If you're eager to master Python and unlock a world of programming opportunities, you're in for a treat.
In today's video, we are going to introduce you to the best Python training institute in Electronic City Bangalore, eMexo Technologies. Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring programmer, a tech enthusiast, a business leader, a student, or a career changer, this video is tailored just for you. Let's jump right in. eMexo Technologies, nestled in the heart of Electronic City Bangalore, is your passport to Python mastery. But what sets eMexo apart as the top choice for Python training in Electronic City Bangalore? Let's discover that.
When it comes to Python training, expertise is the key, isn't it? eMexo Technologies stands tall with its profound expertise in Python. With years of experience and a proven track record, we are a hub of knowledge and learning.
eMexo offers an array of comprehensive Python courses designed to cover everything you need. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to advance your Python skills, we've got the right course for you. We believe that experienced instructors make all the difference. Our Python experts aren't just teachers, they are mentors who guide you through the intricacies of Python, sharing their real-world experiences and preparing you for success in the programming world.
We are firm believers in hands-on learning. At eMexo Technologies, you won't just learn theory, you'll apply your knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining valuable skills that set you apart in the competitive programming landscape.
Quality education should be accessible to everyone, and eMexo Technologies understands that. We offer our courses at affordable prices, ensuring that top-notch Python training is within reach for everyone.
Whether you're an IT professional seeking to upskill, an aspiring programmer on the path to excellence, a tech enthusiast hungry for knowledge, a business leader in need of Python expertise, a student aiming for a promising future, or a career changer exploring new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your launchpad to Python success.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to master Python with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or contact us today at +91 95132164662 to start your Python learning journey.
Thank you for watching. Reach us at eMexo Technologies, the best Python training institute in Electronic City Bangalore. www.emexotechnologies.com +91 95132164662